Hello, Fire Gamer and Flame fans. Today we're gonna learn how to change the size of an object through code. And we're also gonna learn how to randomize the size of the object. So first, what we're gonna do is open up Unity. This should only take a couple seconds. Although knowing my computer, it may take a couple hours. Okay, now we're gonna want to create a new project. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it transform. Then it's gonna be in 3D. So then we create the project. This may take a while. Maybe a really long while. Too long of a while. Seriously, when is this thing gonna open? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, okay, I haven't even started yet and there's already errors. Let's just clear that. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is create an object. To do this, you just have to go over here, put 3D object, and put cube. This is gonna be the ground. So you go over here, and now you can scale it. And you can scale the ground as long as you want it to be. I don't really care. It doesn't really matter. So now, we're gonna create another 3D object, and this is gonna be a cube. And right now, the cube and the ground are both white, so it's really hard to see the cube. To fix this, we're just gonna go right here, put create. Now we're gonna go to material, and then a material will pop up. Let's just name this player, or whatever you want to name it. Now we could change the color. If you want it red, black, I'm just gonna make it red. Now we get the cube, and we drag the material over to the cube. Make sure to drag it to the cube and not the ground like I'm doing. Okay, yeah, nope, screw this. I'm making the ground red. Okay. So now we're gonna move the cube up, and we're gonna create a C# script. To do this, we just have to go to create and then click C# script. And now let's name it transform. Now we're gonna click the C# script. We're gonna double click it, and it should pop up. And whatever thing you use to code. For me, it's Visual Studios, but for you, it could be anything. And just wait for it to open up. And there we go. So what we're gonna do is create an if statement right under update. So we're gonna write if get key down. Then we're gonna put anything we want, whatever key you want. So let's just put T. And I think this is right, I'm not sure. So now we're gonna put these. Anyway, so now we're gonna put transform dot local scale equals transform.local scale new vector 3. Now we put 0. Whoa, actually it could be whatever you want. So this is the x. This is the y, and this is the z. So you could put anything you want here. This is how big you want it. So, oops, this is a capital. This needs to be lowercase. So let's just make the x 5, make the y 4, and make the z 3. Now, let's see if that works. Now we need to end it off with this. We always need to end our script lines with semicolons, or else it will never work. The semicolons tells Unity if the script is finished or if we still need to write more. Anyways, so now we just save this and oops. Now see, we have an error. We forgot semicolon apparently, but that is not the problem. I just forgot to do something. Okay, the problem is that we forgot to put input. Anytime you want to put like get key down or anything like that, you have to put input first. It's input dot and then you put get key down. I just forgot the input. Sorry guys. So now let's test this out and okay. Apparently there's still an error somehow. And guys, you don't put a semicolon here. I know you're probably like, you need to put a semicolon! But you don't. Trust me. I do not know what's wrong. I'm new to coding. I'm sorry. I have no idea what's wrong. Okay. Oh my. I forgot to put an equal sign here. I am so sorry. I am new to this coding stuff too, you know. Anyways, so the problem was that we need to put an equal sign here, and we forgot to put input as well. So now this better work, or else I'm quitting. I swear if this doesn't work, then okay, there we go. So now, whenever you press T, to start the game, and now whenever you press T, nothing happens because we set it to be the same thing, 5, 4, 3. It never changes. But if you want it to change, then what you gotta do, if you want it to be random, then what you gotta do is put random dot range. Then you put the range. It could be, let's just say it's 1 through 6. So now the y will be 1 through 6. So now, ignore that. So now, it should change. Let's see if it changes. Okay, let's ignore that. So now, every time you press T, wait, you have to press the game thing. So now, every time you press T, oh, okay, I'm making so many mistakes, I am sorry. But now, I forgot you need to, right now, the script isn't assigned to anything. So, we need to assign it to the cube. So now Whenever we press it, we press T, it should, yep. So now it's random every time we press T. You could just spam this. It's just satisfying. But if you don't want it to be random every time you press T, you just want it to start random, then what you gotta do is basically just copy and paste this, copy and paste it here, and then just slash this out. If you put 2 slashes behind the text, it'll count it as you deleting it. So you don't have to delete it. It'll just not work. So now, we have that there. So we get the game, and whenever you start it, it's a random height. So it only happens once. If you want it to happen a lot of times, then you can actually copy and paste it here. Then it will just happen like crazy. Watch. Don't mind that, it's just a noob that's texting me. See? So now it just goes crazy. So yeah, that's how you change the height of anything. You just randomize it. Yeah. Anyways, that was my tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more mistakes because I did like 50. I'm sorry. I am new to this. I am young. I don't know anything. I am sorry. So yeah, peace out.